Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to deploy our project on GitHub pages. So firstly go to the browser and search GitHub. Guys, if you don't have your GitHub account, so you must have to create your GitHub account. Now I will create a new repository. According to you, you can give any name. I will give social media. Now you have to create a repository. After that, you have to upload your HTML and CSS code. Now I'm going to upload the project that I have to deploy. So I will select each file present here. Now it starts uploading. After that, you have to commit all changes. Now click on commit changes. Go to the setting. You can see here pages option. Click on it. You can see here branch. You must have to select your main branch. Now click on save. After that, go to the code. You can see here a red dot. It means that your project is going to be run after a few minutes. Now it is in pending mode. Go to the settings again. Go to the pages. You can see after a few minutes that your project is live. So that's all about it. Thank you and subscribe for such more videos.